Okay, well, thank you very much. Ito po, once again, Nico, Fabian, Nick Talk, the Real Talk with Nico. Still in this, sabihin natin, strawberry farm here in Cameron district of Pahang. Pahang po. So, this time around, I would like to bring you to one of the strawberry farms dito sa Cameron. And of course, yes, nakita natin po, still, anywhere you go, any farm po dito, strawberry farm, a lot of tourists are coming in po. And yes, I hope maskin paano, I will be able to share with you kung paano ang view dito po sa strawberry farm in Cameron. Okay, let's start the tour. Isa na natin po. Hope you will enjoy ang trip natin dito sa strawberry farm. Okay. Now, this farm, they are going to close at exactly 4:45. So now it's already slightly over 4 o'clock. And yeah, I'll see what I can do. Share what I can share with you. All right. As what you can see, this is a farm. And yeah, you can see such a big farm, all strawberries po. And yeah, this is one of the famous strawberry farm here in Cameron. And not only strawberries po, but they also have culturing itong mga different kinds of vegetables, no? Vegetables. So once again, I would like to say, nandito kayo po sa programa natin, Nick Talk, the Real Talk with Nico. And kumusta kayo po ang mga kaibigan natin dyan sa Sabah, especially sa Kota Kinabalu, ang mga kababayan natin, no? Mga Filipinos in Kota Kinabalu or in Sabah in general. I'm showing this thing to you para this, just in case one of these days you will have an opportunity to come to Pahang, dito po sa district of Cameron, then don't forget to visit itong area po, Strawberry Farm, which is a very popular po, no? Sa mga Malaysians. And not only Malaysians, was also yon mga sabihin natin foreign tourists natin. Okay, no problem. All you have to do once you come here, you can pick strawberries. 1 kg is 60 ringgit. 1 kg is 60 ringgit. And of course they have this sabihin natin canteen while touring the place. No, while touring the place, you can have some drinks, snacks, different kinds, and even souvenirs po, no? This is the view. Kita natin po ang strawberry nila. Ito ang farm nila. And yes, malaki ito, no? Malaki. And of course, sabi natin, the atmosphere, cool. It's cool. This is the parking lot. Parking lot ito. And yeah, kita ninyo po, no? Grabe ang farm nila dito. Foggy, it's foggy, and it's called the Taman Agrotourism, Cameron Highlands. Ito po, no? So, yeah, maganda ang area. And galing tayo sa kabila kanina, sa Flora Park. And ngayon, nandito tayo sa Strawberry Farm. Alright, Strawberry Farm. No smoking pala dito. Mga smokers, ha? You are not allowed to smoke while visiting this place. Yeah. Kita natin po. Enjoying And this is their canteen, where you can have your snacks after touring the place, this farm. Souvenirs, yes, they have a lot of souvenirs here. Dito, different kinds of items. Different kind of items. All right. Okay. Let's move on. And you don't have to worry if you are bringing your children, because they also have amusement center dito po, no? Amusement center. So children can be entertained while the parents are picking up strawberry. Okay? Malaki. And this has been operational for more than 2 decades already, no? I was made to understand. This is the recreational center. And of course, you can have your coffee here. And, all right. Ito na po, you see the workers also in the strawberry farm. One of the sectors, section. Strawberries. There you go. Some workers. See? Malaki, ano? Malaki ito. This is a big farm. And not only big farm, but also very popular, no? Very popular farm dito po sa Cameron. They also have not only strawberries, but I will show you some vegetables also. Organic vegetables, organic planting. Nandito din po. So, okay. Hold on. I will share with you this. When you talk about strawberries, this is the place po. Strawberries. Alright, maganda, no? Strawberries. Okay. So, right, I hope you're enjoying ang tour natin. Tour natin po. I hope you're enjoying. Maskin paano, especially ang mga kababayan ko, Filipinos, nandito po sa Malaysia, na hindi pa nakakita ang strawberry farm. Now, this is an opportunity for you to see. See? And mayroon din silang mga veggie, organic planting. And ito na po. Well done, well done. And yeah, tingnan nyo po. Alright. So, yes, let's move on. Let me show you again other areas. This is how they dilarang masok, in other words, no entry. Okay, no smoking. Maganda din mga plants nila dito. See, this is something that if itong mga kababayan ko dito sa Malaysia or dito po sa ano ito, sa Sabah, dyan sa Sabah. Okay, remember this thing. No picking flowers. Fine of 500 ringgit. Hindi pwede po, no? See? These are all organic. Organic po. Ganda talaga, no? Ganda talaga. Organic ito. Organic veggie. And, okay. Let's move on. Move on pa tayo po. Hope you are enjoying. Asking paano, you can see may mga turista tayo dito, Europeans. Okay? Okay? Okay, let's see. Strawberries. You want strawberries? This is it. Ito na po. Ganito pala ang strawberry, no? All you have to come here, all you have to do is come here and pick up strawberries po. Strawberries. And 1 kg is 60 ringgit plus free entrance to people. Nandito po. Pick your own strawberries. Minimum 1 kg per basket, 60 ringgit. You are all allowed to pick a minimum net weight of 1 kg. Anything pick more than 1 kg is required to be paid for. Each basket that permits entry for 2 adults and 1 child below the age of 7 only. Extra person can accompany, but a fee of 10 ringgit per person will be charged no matter what age. All strawberries picked must be paid immediately at the cashier. To pick the strawberries, cut the stem with the scissors provided. Pick only the ripe strawberries red in color. Yan po, no? That's that's how you pick strawberries. Right? Different kinds of tourists mayroon tayo dito po. Both domestic and local. Both domestic and local. So you don't have to worry. And of course, ang dami din mga bata, no? So, ito na po. Ito na po. This is what we call the strawberry farm. One of the biggest strawberry farms po dito sa Cameron district. And of course, yes, I'll show you some plants. You see? Anda din sila mga plants dito. So while you go and enjoy picking up strawberries, mga plant flowers, you can come here and also enjoy enjoy the beauty of flowers. Enjoy the beauty of flowers po. Maganda, no? Very nice. Very nice. And of course, you are not going to sweat here because the temperature is cool. Cool po. Maganda po. No? Maganda. And children will also enjoy po, no? Ito na. Ito mga plants nila. Medyo konti na lang ang tao because anytime soon, no, at 4:45 they are going to close this strawberry farm. Alright? So, eto na. Hope you're enjoying. Habang I'm touring nyo po, I'm just hoping na you're enjoying ang tour natin. Dito tayo sa strawberry farm. Okay? Sana enjoy kayo while doing nothing. Friday ngayon. Today is Friday. And, okay. Ito po, mga flowers nila. Wow, may mga cactus. Diyan po ang cactus nila. Okay, ito din po ang cactus nila. You can see. Alright. Alright. So, this is it. This is it. We cannot cover the whole area malaki itong farm dahil po wala na tayong time. We came it a little bit late kasi we were on the other side. Nandun tayo sa Flora Park. And it took us more than 3 hours to cover the Flora Park. And ngayon medyo wala na tayong enough time, no? Ito po. Ganda. Alright. Okay. So, let's go back. Let's go back. And, ano pa, ha? Yeah, konti na lang ng tao dito. And, yeah, this is the very reason why I came here. Purposely po, for me to be able to share with you what I saw. Sa mga followers ko po dito sa Nick Talk, The Real Talk with Nico. And yes, just as a reminder, andito pa tayo po sa West Malaysia, and it will take a few more weeks for me to be stationed in Kuala Lumpur in West Malaysia, because what I'm planning is to visit, if God permits, I want to visit again all the 14 states in Malaysia. That includes po ang seat of the government, that is Putrajaya. Putrajaya. I think by tomorrow, maybe by next week, Monday or Tuesday, I'll be able to show you ang beauty ng Putrajaya. Putrajaya po, nandun yan po ang opisina ng Prime Minister natin dito sa Malaysia. And I'm referring to no other than Prime Minister Dato Sri Anwar Ibrahim. Alright. Sige lang, may time pa tayo. And you don't worry, whatever issues mayroon sa Pilipinas, I will also try to cover so that you will be updated talaga po ang mga latest updates, political, economic, security-wise, dyan po sa Philippines. So in the meantime, habang may time pa tayong magbisita sa mga interesting places dito sa Malaysia, particularly in West Malaysia, then I would take this advantage to record, no, ang mga places so that ang mga kaibigan natin, fellow countrymen from the Philippines in West Malaysia, legally staying and residing in West Malaysia, as well as those countrymen in Sabah, residing and legally residing and working in Sabah. Now you will be able to see, maskin hindi pa personally come here, at least you will have an idea what is Cameron District dito po sa Pahang, no? Sa state of Pahang. So I think with this, hanggang dito na lang muna tayo sa coverage natin. Nick Talk, The Real Talk with Nico, and today is August 15, Friday na Friday. Tomorrow will be a Saturday and Sunday. I would like to wish each and every one of you a prosperous, memorable, problem-free weekend. Enjoy your weekend po. Ito po, once again, si Nico Fabian would like to say thank you very much for making me a part of your day today. Hopefully, maskin paano, I managed to entertain you and give you a picture of what is Malaysia po ngayon. So, again, Malaysia, Sabah, the Philippines. God bless us all, and I see you in my next episode. Bye.